In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize fonts on Brave browser. We'll walk through the built-in settings that control how text looks across the web, so you can make pages easier on your eyes and more consistent with your preferences. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's up, look to the top right corner and click the three horizontal lines, which open the main menu. From there, choose Settings to enter Brave's control panel. On the Settings page, glance over to the left sidebar and select Content. This area manages what and how websites display in your browser. Inside Content, click Customize Fonts. You'll land on a page that lets you adjust both the size and the style of the text you see. First, fine-tune the overall font size using the slider that ranges from tiny to huge. This setting affects the general reading size across many sites. Move it a notch at a time, and watch the live preview so you can judge readability before committing to a big change. Just below, you'll find Minimum Font Size. This is your safety net for sites that use extremely small text. Increasing the minimum prevents text from shrinking past a certain point, which can be especially helpful on dense articles or older websites. Keep in mind that very large settings can affect page layout, so aim for a comfortable middle ground that still keeps designs intact. Next, choose the standard font. This is the default family Brave uses for most body text when a site doesn't request something specific. Pick a font that's crisp and comfortable for long reads. Below that, you can specify fallback families for different typographic roles. Set a serif font for traditional book-like text with small decorative strokes. A sans serif font for a clean, modern look often used in interfaces and headings. A fixed width font for code blocks and tables where alignment matters. And a mathematical font for equations and scientific symbols to ensure they display clearly. As you make selections, use the preview to compare spacing, weight, and clarity. If a font isn't listed, it likely isn't installed on your system, so choose the closest alternative that delivers good legibility. A few quick tips as you finish up. Some websites load their own custom fonts, so your choices here act as defaults and fallbacks. If a page is already open, refreshing it helps apply your changes. And if anything feels off, return to this panel to nudge the sliders or swap families until reading feels effortless. That's it. With these adjustments, Brave will display text in the size and style that suit you best.